The story of the cows and the lions. 5 cows lived in a little forest. They ate fresh grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together. So the lions couldn't attack them for food. One day the 5 cows fought and each one started to eat grass in a different place. So the lions decided to seize the opportunity and killed them one by one. So we learned today unity is strength. And why to fight over religion, caste, sex, race, and so on? And have you ever witnessed the line is applicable for your life? If yes, then comment down below.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.